Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we have a special guest. PiToken.co is their website, and we all know the P from the PI from the school. Let's have a look what exactly they want to offer us, because the PI number was always something special in school, I remember, and I think they want to offer us also something special. Why PiToken? PiToken is one of the few tokens driven by community, Rugg free. This is all what we want, guys, Rugg free. It will not take much time before PiToken is used as a utility token by masses on different platforms. Developers have a great marketing plan which will create a lot of demand for this token. Unlimited supply will further reduced by 30% by burning event in phase 2. It will be unruggable, liquidity is locked in pancakeswap, and 5% token burning each transaction. So we have here a 2 billion amount of supply, and I think this is enough, guys. This is a good number, it's easy to remember. And yes, let's have a look. The tokenomics: 50% locked in pancakeswap, 30% burn. Phase 2, we are right now in phase 1, and this token is still pre-listed, so you have here a big chance to make some nice profits before it gets listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. 10% development and strategies, and 10% clean and green initiative. So that means I think this 10% goes to some charities to save our good old planet. And why not? If you have some money, give it also a part away. Roadmap: the phase 1 website development, 10,000 holders listing on CoinMarketCap, white paper released, and so on. Phase 2 is then the burning event, the 30% off total supply, 5.5 million market cap, listing of first exchanges, 20,000 holders, ordered by Certic, charity event, plantation, and PiToken wallet. Phase 3 coming soon. So I think it is a simple project, guys, right? It is a simple project like many other tokens also from the beginning was. That means I have an idea, I just started and let the community decide what exactly is going on, and let's bring change together. What they write here: biggest issue the world is facing right now is global warming. Let's together play some role to reduce it. The community will be planting one tree after every bundle is purchased. One bundle is 100,000 token. One bundle is one tree. That means we have at least 20,000 trees planted. If the 20,000 20,000 bundles are gone, right? So, and it is a nice project. I like it because it's very simple. So there are not much promises, there are not much, oh, we want to do this, we want to do that, save the world and whatever. No, we have here some nice little facts, right? And this is what they want to do. I like it. They burn 30% in phase 2, and they say it is unruggable. I hope it is unruggable for every project, but sometimes we get always surprised. So this one, they say no. But let's have a look on the Telegram group. They have right now 276 members and 39 are right now online. And guys, this is a real project with real numbers. There are many projects outside. I can just always tell you again and again, if you see a project with 70,000-80,000 members from the beginning, guys, this is not easy to get it if you don't know this project before. That means you can also buy these numbers. It's easy. There are developers for this kind of things. You can buy these members. They are not real members, they are fake members, and you can see it if you go on the list of Telegram and then you see so many deleted accounts. That means there are many fake members. So who cares? They have here 276 real members, 39 online, and for sure they are on Twitter with 42 followers. Guys, help them. Go inside this project if you like it. It's simple, but it looks nice. It has some nice facts, simple facts. It is a small project still, but it can be very big because everyone knows this PI or P sign from school, guys, and it's like Coca-Cola. You don't forget this sign, right? And this is the same, and it can help a lot into commercial, guys. So here you have the double check on BSC scan. You can see the contract address. I will put you all the important links down into the description under the video, and let's have a look on the chart right now. The chart is very fresh. It's very young chart, so you can see this is a 12-hour chart, candle chart. 21st December they start, and just a pumping situation. We have here a huge pump. Because why? Because everyone wants to make some big profits at the beginning, and then at the same time people sell the tokens to have just a 10, 20, 30% profits, and then they sell it, right? Because something is new, there's always a pumping situation. But I mean, you cannot see any big rug pull or whatever at the first days, and I think there will be no rug pull if they do exactly what they say. We have your market cap right now from $19,000 and $2,300 invested. So if you have a couple of bucks left, try it out, throw some money inside. Don't spend all your money on one project. I tell you always the same. And for my part, I will try it out and tell you maybe some months later what exactly happened to this project. Guys, the same, you let me know what happened. Let me know right now what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about PiToken down into the comments. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe for the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Guys, until next video, I wish you very best profits, and see you later, alligator. Bye.